This is our cryopreservation method. We use vitrification. Vitrification takes less than 30 minutes. By doing the cooling process, use different cryoprotectants and use a step-by-step sequence to draw out the water, dehydrate the embryo basically. So then you're protecting the embryo from any ice crystals forming. So this is what an embryo looks like before you start the process. And then this is what an embryo looks like once it's gone through the whole process. And then you pop it into the liquid nitrogen storage container. And then when you're ready to thaw the embryo or warm it back up, you rehydrate it, putting the water back in, removing those cryoprotectants, and getting it to expand. So you can see that it was all shrunk, and then you get it to read. So thank you for your time.